In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check game version on Steam. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the details that identify the build you're running, so you can confirm you're up to date or share the correct info when troubleshooting with friends or support. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer and logging into your account if you aren't already signed in. This is the desktop application, not the web browser version. If Steam prompts you to update first, go ahead and let it finish. That ensures the interface matches what you'll see here and helps avoid any display quirks while checking your game details. Once you're in, look to the top of the window and click the Library tab. This takes you to your collection, where all of your installed and owned titles are listed. If you have a large library, you can use the search bar or the filters on the left to find the game you want faster. Make sure the game is installed if you plan to play right away, though you can still view many properties even if it isn't currently installed. Next, find the specific game you're curious about, right-click its name, and choose Properties from the menu that appears. On some layouts you might see a Manage option first. Just select Properties from there. A new window will open with several sections along the left side. Click on the Updates tab. This is where Steam centralizes update behavior and, importantly, where it shows you the build information tied to your current installation. In the Updates tab, scroll to the very bottom. You'll see the build ID and the app ID, along with the last update date. The build ID is the unique identifier for the exact version of the game files you have installed. Think of it as the precise fingerprint of your game's current build. The app ID is the fixed identifier Steam uses for that game across the platform. The last update date tells you when that particular build went live. If you're comparing versions with friends or checking compatibility for mods or servers, the build ID is the key piece to match. If the build ID listed here matches what others are using, you're on the same version. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.